Asumzi. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beam balance. For that you just need 2 cups, 1 strong thread, scissor, 1 wooden stick or any stick you like, 1 pen. First you need 2 cups. I showed in the thing. And first take here 1 cup, measure 3 holes over here or any 3 or 4. I'm taking 2. You can take 2 or any. Just mark 1 hole over here, push the pen inside and do it at this side also, but make sure that it is opposite side. Do that to the second cup also. After you do that, take the strong thread and tie up in the holes. After you do that, just take the point and push it in the holes like these. If it is not going inside, take the pen's nib and just put this rope, the thread, on the hole like this and just push it inside. And then pull the thread from inside. You will get the results. Or not, you just put a bigger hole and do it inside. Keep it inside here. And continue from here to here.
जो पॉज करके वो करने से वो भी आ गया था.
After you do that, make sure the thread is not so long. Measure the thread should be equal, and then just cut the thread like. After you do that, just 1 cup, do the same measurement of this thread and do it over here too. After you do that, you just need a stick, which I have told you. Make sure that it is fat enough, all sides are equal, and then just try a small knot over here, a oak knot. Not coconut, oak knot. Just like this. For one side you take 2 knots. After you do that at the both sides, just take a short strong thread and keep it in the middle. Try a knot over there also. Make sure that knot should be in the middle. And there you go. There you get the beam balance. Now you can measure weight, but it is very low weight, okay? And thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.